family. How is everyone doing? Are you guys ready for the weekend? I know I am. All right, today I'm going to do fried, let me get this right, dill pickle fried hot wings. I don't know if you guys know, but I love anything that has dill pickle flavor. I mean, jars of pickles, chicken. I did a dill pickle pork chop. So I'm going to do these dill pickle hot wings. And don't worry about the ingredients in the back because I'm going to come back and show you guys what we're going to need. But make sure if you did that rice flour to go ahead and get that out, because you remember I told you we're going to use that in this video. So here I only have 6 wings. I tried to get all flats, but they ran out of them, so they gave me one poor little drumette. But what we're going to do, let me show you. We're going to put slits in these, okay? So just take your knife and put slits in them. I mean, very easy and simple. So we'll take this one long ranger and slit this. All right. See, it's not as easy as the flats. And this recipe, you guys, is also going to be very simple. And when you put the slits in these, it helps soak up your, I guess your flavoring that you're going to use on it. And after we do this, guess what we're going to do? Now I've eaten all the pickles out of this jar. So just make sure you don't get a jar of dill pickle juice that you're still eating out of, okay? Because that is definitely cross-contamination. And I don't want you guys saying Miss O made me sick, okay? So I think this is the last one. You see the slits in it? Oh, got one more. And we're going to soak these in pickle juice for about, I'm going to say 3 hours. Then we're going to come back and fry these babies up. Okay, let's do one more in this one. Okay, there are the slits. So here I have a jar of hamburger dill pickle juice. And all we're going to do is put our wings in this. Now, if you have more than 6 wings, of course, you're going to have to marinate them like in a bowl. And remember, once these wings soak, please pour out the juice and toss the jar. Here we go. You see the wings in it? I'll just shake it up. And we're going to let this soak for about 3 hours. Then I will come back. Also, put it in the refrigerator. I also forgot to tell you guys, in the pickle juice with chicken, I want you to put a ½ teaspoon of thyme with the pickle juice and chicken. Also, whenever you're dealing with chicken, make your dishwater and add some Pyrex to it. That way you can clean your surfaces and you won't cross-contaminate anything. And yes, I forgot to say, I did clean and wash the chicken off. Okay, Royals, I have let the chicken wings marinate in the pickle juice probably for about 3 hours. So now I've pulled off all of the dill pickle juice. So what we're going to do is put them on here and we're going to dry them off. All right, so you're going to take a paper towel and dry them off. And remember to throw this pickle juice jar away. All right. And in this little bowl here, I have all of my seasoning and everything I have in this little bowl will be in the description box below. And since I'm not going to use the spice again after this, I'm going to go ahead and just use my hands. Okay. All right. That's the time you see on it. All right, let's just take the seasoning. And I also season my flour and my rice flour. So the same ingredients I have in here, I also have in my flour. So let's just go ahead and season them nicely. And you already know dill pickles and ranch go perfect together. So we're gonna put up a little jar of ranch. Okay, let's season this side. So I hope you guys have something planned for your weekend. Again, as I say, baby, it is hot in Texas. I mean, hot, you know? I mean, if you can sport a fro, this is the good weather to do it. Unless your hair shrink up like mine. Oh, I think I forgot this one, you guys. Yep. Oh, okay. Now all we're going to do, I want to make sure I season it right. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is put it in, this is all-purpose flour, the rice flour, and the seasonings that I used for the chicken. So I'm just going to put it in here. And once we coat them, we're going to let them sit for about 5 minutes so the flour can kind of dry. Then I'll come back and we'll fry these babies. Okay, Rose, I let the chicken sit for about 5 minutes after I floured it. After 5 minutes, I re-floured it again. Now we're going to drop it into the hot oil. And you guys watch. This rice flour is going to make them so crispy. Oh, and they're popping like crazy. Can you see it? I'm gonna have to find my my spatula, my tongs, because I don't know what I did with them. Okay, we're going to fry these like 8 to 10 minutes. Once I turn one side over, I'll come back and show you guys. All right, here's a look at our chicken wings. Another 5 minutes. I'll get the wingettes really nice and crispy. So did you see that on the drum edge? Listen. Can you hear that? That is so crispy. All right, when I come back, I will present to you the final product and presentation of our hot dill pickle hot wings.